Good morning students, hope you all are doing great. So children, today I am going to explain you nervous tissue. So you all know that nervous tissue make up our brain. Brain is an organ which is made by the nervous tissue, and nervous tissue is made by the nerve cells. So you can see the picture is given in the figure 1.16. This is the picture of a nerve cell. Nerve cell is the cell which is also called as the neuron, and always remember that it is the longest cell present in our in the human body. So nervous tissue is specialized for coordination. As you know that our brain helps in the coordination and control of different activities. Our life activities, all the life activities is controlled by this nervous tissue only, and it is made up of nerve cell which is also called as neurons. So it is it is made up of three parts. First one is, you can see here yellow parts. This is the cell body or cytone. It is also called as perikaryon, because you know single this eye like structure you can see in the center of the cytone. It is a nucleus. So it contains the nucleus and cytoplasm also. Further, it has a second part is, it has a long cylindrical process. You can see this blue long chain like structure. This is called axon. So first part is cytone, second is axon, and the third is dendron or dendrites. This dendrites. So these three are the important. So this dendrites, these are the hair like fine like structures, branched one. So it comes from the dendron. At the end, it has the branch like structure. You can see here neurotransmitters, or it is this axon ending only form the synapse. I told you in the Zoom class also. So remember the three parts: cytone, axon, this blue one, and the dendron or dendrites. So where it I told you, so the terminal end of axon, which is axon endings, are connected with the dendrites of the other neuron, and this connection or joint is called synapse. So like this, millions or billions of or trillions of neurons bundle together and they form a nerve cells. Where it is present, where is the location of the nervous tissue? Nervous tissue occurs in the brain, spinal cord and sense organ, because you know they have to transmit the signals. So what is the working? They transmit the signals in the form of impulses, like you know our wires carry the electric current. Like this, dendrites also receive the impulses from the sense organs and they transfer it to the from dendrites, from the centron to the axon, full neuron, and the axon receive it, axon endings, and further it passed into the cytone. So like this only it will transfer from one nerve cell into the another nerve cell, one neuron to another neuron. What is the function now? The neurons of sense organ detect changes in the environment. Whatever is a stimulus, for example, whatever we through the sense organ we can detect the signals. We just observe our or feel our external environment. So all the signals is detected by the sense organ, and these sense organ that send this signals to the brain, and our brain in the form of nerve impulses only, and against the nerve impulses brain read it, interpret it, or spinal cord also, and it send the response. So against the stimulus, you know reflex action is reflex action process, against the stimulus which is detected by the sense organ, perceived by the sense organ, and then our body or our brain generate the response. So this is the function of nervous tissue. You can underline, and here in this picture you can see, here I am showing you this first neuron, and this is the second neuron. So here you can see this is the cytone part of the second and this is the first. So you can see that this is the nerve ending. This is the nerve ending of the first neuron. So first neuron nerve ending attach with the dendrites of the second neuron. This is the second neuron, this is the first neuron. So the point of attachment where the axon ending attach with the dendrites of the second neuron is called synapse. So in this picture you can see synapse. So here also this is the axon ending, this area it is an enlarged one, and this is the dendrites ending, dendrites. So in detail how the chemicals in this for making the synapse, this neurotransmitter acetylcholine plays a very important role. These are the chemicals, or enzymes are also plays a very important role. This you will learn in the higher classes. Just remember the synapse, the point at which the axon ending of the first nerve attach with the dendrites of the second nerve. So this is the point at which point of attachment between the two neuron is called synapse. So go through the chapter, start doing the exercises, solving the exercises. So thank you children and have a nice day. Exercises and question answer I will discuss in the next class, next class. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. God bless you all.